Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my old and new subscribers, and if you're passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on the subscribe button down below, and please do click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, today's topic is the uses of rice water, how to use rice water. Yes, I am not an expert on rice water, no way. It's not been long I found out about rice water too, but I found out about rice water and I noticed how good it is for my hair. I did a lot of research. So in today's video, I'm going to give you answers to the questions I've been receiving about how do I use rice water, when do I use it, how often should I use it. So guys, this is my own way of using rice water. I'm going to give you 3 tips on how I use rice water. So guys, let's get started. The first way I use rice water is by using it as a pre-poo.
A pre-poo is actually the first treatment you apply on your dry hair before using your shampoo or conditioner to wash your hair. It's actually called a pre-shampoo.
So how do I use rice water as a pre-poo? What I do is I apply the rice water on dry hair. Yes, dry hair. I leave it on my hair for about 10 minutes, not so long, before applying shampoo and conditioner, whatever I want to apply there, and wash it off. So that is the number one way I use it. So the second way I use rice water is the deep conditioning method, and that is one of the ways I use it more. So how do I use it as deep conditioner? I wash my hair first with shampoo to get off all the dirt and tiny particles or dandruff, whatever is on your hair. Then you apply your rice water and cover it with a plastic bag for about 20-25 minutes or even 30 minutes, depends on how long you can leave it. Then after then, you wash it off with warm water and any conditioner of your choice. So that is how to use rice water as a deep conditioner, which is my number 2 way of using it. So my third way of using it is as a rinse, rice water rinse. What do I mean by this? It is after you've washed your hair with your shampoo, with any conditioner you want to wash your hair with, then you do your final rinse with this rice water and leave it to dry on it. Yes, you don't wash it off. You leave it to dry on it, and this method actually softens your hair a lot. It keeps your hair kind of moisturized, and after leaving it, then when it's dry, you can just apply any moisturizer you want to apply or seal it with any oil of your choice. So that is how I use it as final rinse. Yes, sorry about my arrows, I don't pronounce my arrows very well. I mean rinse. I'll put it on the screen for you guys to see. So these are the 3 ways I actually use rice water. Again, the questions I'll be getting a lot is, how often do I use rice water? Should I use it every day? Should I use it twice a week? Well guys, I will not advise you to use rice water every day, because rice water contains a lot of protein, amino acid and all that, and too much of it is not that good for the hair. Yes, especially fermented rice water. Yes, those ones you leave overnight, they are very strong. What I advise you to do with such water, dilute them with a bit of water so it's not too strong for your hair. Because I've heard some stories where some people said rice water is not good for their hair. Maybe it's too strong for their hair. So you get to dilute your rice water, especially those fermented one you left overnight. Dilute them with a bit of water. And yes, you can use rice water once in a week. Sometimes some people use it once in 2 weeks. You don't have to use it every day. So as for me, the first time I discovered how nice rice water is for my hair, I was using it twice a week, but I discovered that that was too much. So now I use it once a week, or sometimes even once in 2 weeks. So that's how often I use it. And as for those that are asking me if rice water is good for relaxed hair, yes, it is good for relaxed hair. I've seen a lot of people with relaxed hair using rice water, and they have testified how nice it is for their hair also. So guys, I think I have basically answered all the questions I've been getting on rice water. There are still more ways you can use rice water, but these are just the 3 ways I use rice water for my natural hair. So guys, I do think you find this video helpful, and please, if you do not forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.